The average knowledge worker is only productive for 2 hours and 53 minutes per 8-hour workday, according to VoucherCloud research. That means there's nearly 5 hours of hidden potential in your existing schedule. At the end of each workday, write tomorrow's number one priority and say, "Shut down complete" out loud. Cal Newport's research shows this verbal cue tells your brain to stop background processing work tasks, improving both evening rest and next morning focus. Before starting any work session, spend 2 minutes scanning your task list and asking, which of these, if completed, would make the rest easier or irrelevant? Start with that one. This tiny habit prevents the trap of doing easy tasks first. Deliberately be bad at things that don't matter. Stop formatting emails perfectly. Stop making slides beautiful when the content is what matters. Reallocate that perfectionism energy to the 20% of your work that drives 80% of results. Habit 4. Batch similar tasks into single sessions. Habit 5. Set artificial deadlines 20% shorter than comfortable. Habit 6. Take a 10-minute walk before every creative task. Habit 7. Review your week every Friday in writing. What worked, what didn't, what changes. Start with just habit 1 tonight. Write down tomorrow's priority and say, "Shut down complete." Small start, massive compound effect. Subscribe for more systems that work.